Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious canned collard greens. First, drain and rinse your canned collard greens very well under cool running water. This step is crucial for reducing sodium and improving flavor. Next, prepare your chosen meat, such as a small smoked ham hock or a few slices of bacon, which will add a wonderful depth of flavor to your greens. Now let's build our flavor base. If using bacon, cook about 4 to 6 slices in your pot until crispy, then remove and crumble for later. Leave about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pot. If using a ham hock, brown it slightly. Then, add 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pot, sautéing until fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. It's time to combine everything. Add your well-rinsed collard greens to the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Pour in about 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little kick. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for at least 30 to 45 minutes, or until the greens are wonderfully tender. Almost done. Before serving, taste your collard greens and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or hot sauce to suit your preference. A secret ingredient for a bright finish is about 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It really enhances the flavor. Remove the ham hock if used, and shred any meat back into the greens. Serve your perfectly cooked collard greens warm and enjoy this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.